Previously on Castify.
Okay, you don't exist until I bring you into the frame.
Okay, so, wow.
Just right there.
Wow.
We are on a new piece of water today that we've never explored, and we're dropping in at the Sac River mountain bike trail. Look at that. Beautiful smallie. What have you been doing? Just hiking around?
Yeah.
Having fun?
Mm-hmm.
Check out this kid. This is how he comes prepared. He's got everything and anything you'd need if something were to happen out here, like zombie apocalypse.
Hey, guess who brought the snacks, huh? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Nice largemouth for this little creek, man. That's pretty cool.
Bear copy, Papa Bear, over. Papa Bear, do you read, over?
This is Papa Bear, what's up?
I found a cave.
What?
I said I found a cave, over.
You found a cave? Okay, so are you downstream of where we were?
Yeah, go downstream, over.
Okay, give me just a few minutes and I'll be there. Don't go in or do anything until I get there.
Copy.
Right up here.
Okay.
Don't fall, by the way.
Wow.
Yeah.
Cool. That looks awesome. You want to check it out? Yeah. That's it?
Oh, I cut that there. Well, there's more.
Check out that cricket.
Go ahead.
It's nice and cool. I don't think we have lights strong enough to get us.
The light you have on right now goes brighter. So.
Which one? Oh, it doesn't?
Once we hit.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. Click it in.
Wow, it's nice and cool in here. Whoa.
Oh my god. So cool. Which way you want to go?
I don't think it goes any further. You can check it out.
There's a lot further.
Go for it. Go for it. I was looking for bats. I don't see any bats.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Just a room?
No, it keeps going. Keeps going.
Wow.
Can you not go through?
I can go through.
Pretty cool.
Wow.
It keeps going back too.
That's nice.
He's right. Oh my goodness gracious.
Whew.
Oh my gosh. What the heck?
Stupid.
Keep going.
Wow.
Keep going.
Yeah, it looks like that's the end.
Let me see.
I can't tell.
It's just a big room. Can you go look?
If you want to, I don't want to leave our equipment out there too long.
Yeah. We can turn back. Oh gosh.
Jeez.
Oh gosh. Oh my goodness gracious. Thanks a lot.
Wow.
Ow. You good?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Is there blood or something?
Yeah.
Those are freaking big crickets.
Dang.
Oh my gosh.
That was awesome. Guys, we're at Ritter Springs Park. I encourage you to check it out. It's a great place. Got some archery stuff here. There's a park for the kids. There is no fishing and no hunting though. So anyway,
Or swimming.
that means we're out. No swimming either, yes. But if you were wanting to get to the cave that we went to, plus there's a couple others that are on location that I'll leave GPS points on if you guys are curious to check those out. But if you're curious to get to the cave that we showed you today, then this is a great place to start. A little easier to get into that cave versus wet waiting the place we dropped in. So I just wanted to give everybody an option. If you haven't watched the first video, make sure you do. We wanted to have a little fun, and yes, we knew the cave was here. we fooled you guys. We played off like we didn't know the cave was here, but we did. Anyway, I encourage you to check it out. It's a fun little day trip. Fishing was awesome, and the cave was awesome. I got my fishing in, and my son got his hiking in. and a little cave adventure. So anyway, we had a great day. Did you have fun today? You sure?
Yep.
Did you like the cave?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah, especially the part when you slipped.
What?
Yeah.
I didn't slip.
Sure.
What are you talking about?
Sure.
I don't even know what this. There was no slip on the video.
Uh-huh.
This kid. Wow. Destruction of city property. Stop it.
What'd you say?
What?
What'd you say about me?
I didn't say anything about you.
Uh-huh.
Alright, we're gonna get out of here. We got a couple hour drive home. We're gonna stop and get some lunch and head home.
I'm gonna fall asleep in the car.
Yeah, probably. You probably are. Anyway, appreciate you guys being here and joining us today. Really, really fun day. So we'll catch you guys next time. See ya. Bye.
Bye.